Hello, I'm in a 2016 Chrysler 200, so I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then a couple ways you could get to, but we'll go through the phone. And then here it's going to automatically try to pair if you've previously connected. That should work. Otherwise you can hit the settings here. There's a limited number of devices you can have, so you might need to delete a device first, but we'll see we want to add one. There we go. So now make sure your device Bluetooth is on, which is that button, and then usually if you push and hold it on a device, it'll pull up a pairing menu. And then from here we're going to look for something that would match this vehicle. Sometimes this takes a little bit, so we'll try this Uconnect. Alright, now it's got these random numbers, so we're going to confirm that they do match on both ends. And then in a moment here, it'll typically try to want you to pair, like, make it like a favorite, which that means it would try to auto connect when you start the vehicle. And then now at this point you can take calls, you can listen to music. For newer models, you might be able to pair up your maps and things as well. But that's it. And then if you're having issues getting to play music, try this media button till you get to something that might display your phone here. And then make sure that your phone is actually playing music, and then make sure your volume is turned on as well. But I hope this is helpful. You have a wonderful day.